everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the most exciting and informative content worldwide. Today, we are taking you on a journey through India's top expressways. These marvels of modern engineering connect cities, reduce travel times, and make our journeys smoother and safer. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Delhi-Mumbai Expressway. Starting with the Delhi-Mumbai Expressway is one of India's longest and most ambitious expressway projects. Spanning approximately 1,320 kilometers, it connects the national capital, Delhi, with the financial capital, Mumbai. This 8-lane expressway, which can be expanded to 12 lanes, aims to reduce the travel time between the two cities from 24 to 12 hours. The project is also a part of India's Grand Bharatmala Pariyojana initiative. Number 2. Delhi-Meerut Expressway. Next, we have the Delhi-Meerut Expressway. This 96-kilometer long expressway connects Delhi with Meerut in Uttar Pradesh. It's designed to significantly reduce travel time between the two cities from around 2.5 hours to 45 minutes. The expressway features dedicated cycle tracks, service roads, and green belts, making it one of the most advanced expressways in the country. Number 3. Mumbai-Pune Expressway. The Mumbai-Pune Expressway is another vital corridor in India. Spanning 94.5 kilometers, this 6-lane expressway connects Mumbai with Pune. It was India's first 6-lane concrete, high-speed, access-controlled tolled expressway. Known for its scenic beauty and the tunnels it passes through, the Mumbai-Pune Expressway has been a game-changer in reducing travel time between these two major cities. Number 4. Yamuna Expressway. Moving on, the Yamuna Expressway stretches 165 kilometers and connects Greater Noida with Agra. It is one of the longest 6-lane expressways in India and has drastically reduced the travel time between Delhi and Agra to just about 2 hours. The expressway is also a popular route for those heading to the Taj Mahal, one of the world's 7 wonders. Number 5. Purvanchal Expressway. This 340.8-kilometer long expressway connects Lucknow with Ghazipur in Uttar Pradesh. It's designed to boost economic development in the eastern part of Uttar Pradesh and is a crucial infrastructure project under the state's expressway network. The expressway also features an airstrip to facilitate emergency landings for the Indian Air Force. Number 6. Ahmedabad-Vadodara Expressway. The Ahmedabad-Vadodara Expressway, also known as National Expressway 1, spans 93 kilometers and is a key link between Ahmedabad and Vadodara in Gujarat. It significantly reduces travel time between the two cities, supporting passenger and freight transport. This expressway is a testament to Gujarat's advanced infrastructure development. Number 7. Mumbai-Nagpur Expressway. One of the latest additions is the Mumbai-Nagpur Expressway, also known as the Samriddhi Mahama. This 701-kilometer expressway will connect Mumbai with Nagpur, reducing travel time from 16 to 8 hours. This expressway is expected to be a major boost for the economic development of Maharashtra. Number 8. Eastern Peripheral Expressway. The Eastern Peripheral Expressway, also known as the KGP Expressway, is a 135-kilometer long expressway encircling the eastern part of Delhi. It is part of the larger Peripheral Expressway project aimed at decongesting Delhi by diverting non-destined traffic from the city. The expressway has solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and advanced traffic management systems. Number 9. Dwarka Expressway. The Dwarka Expressway, also known as the Northern Peripheral Road, is a 29-kilometer expressway connecting Dwarka in Delhi to Gurugram in Haryana. It's designed to ease traffic on the Delhi-Gurugram Expressway and provide seamless connectivity to the Indira Gandhi International Airport. The expressway features multiple flyovers, underpasses, and a fully functional intelligent traffic management system. Number 10. Bundelkhand Expressway. Lastly, the Bundelkhand Expressway is a 296-kilometer long expressway connecting Chitrakoot in Bundelkhand region to Etawah. This expressway aims to bring economic development to the Bundelkhand region, which has been historically underdeveloped. The expressway will connect with the Agra-Lucknow Expressway, further integrating the region with Uttar Pradesh's road network. India's top 10 expressways represent the pinnacle of modern infrastructure, significantly enhancing connectivity and driving economic growth. Thank you all for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Don't forget to like and share this video.